Welcome to another episode of Evernote Advanced Features. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in this week's episode, we're going to be talking about collaboration. Coming up next. So here we are within Evernote for Mac. And in this week's episode, it's going to be kind of a short episode. And it's really, I guess you could say, a follow-up to last week's episode concerning sharing. Now, what I'm going to be talking about today is collaboration and how you can utilize Evernote to collaborate with coworkers or other people on projects. Now, as you know, when I mentioned last week was the share function here. How you can share a note, or you can even, let's say, for instance, I created a new notebook. Let's create a new notebook here. Let's see, new notebook. And we'll call this Project Alpha and Omega. Sorry, couldn't help myself. And let's say I want to make it shared, and I want to share that with Jerry. Here, I want to share it with myself. And I hit create. All right, so I've created myself a notebook, and let's say I wanted to, in this notebook here, I want to have a new note. Project Alpha. And then we'll create another new note here, and we'll call it Project Omega. Okay, so here we are. I just created some a quick project here, or a notebook containing this project that we're working on, Project Alpha and Omega, and I separated them into two sub-projects, so to speak. Now, everything in here is going to be shared with me. Now, as you can see here, there is a share icon up here. So now, when I'm talking about collaboration, you can collaborate on notebooks like this, where whoever you shared it with can go in here and anything in this shared notebook, they can, view, edit, or what have you, however your sharing function has been set up with them. Now, there is another way you can share with or collaborate with other individuals. So here is if you go to the Evernote App Center, you can find apps that work really well with Evernote. One of which is called Azendu. Now, of course, this is a paid collaboration tool, but basically Azendu, you can collaborate on tasks and projects, let you bring Evernote's into the heart of the collaboration to boost work and communication more effectively. So now, these are ways that you can collaborate in in other web-based tools or what have you. And see, that is the cool thing about Evernote, is that you are able to drag your Evernote notes into other applications, because Evernote is such a popular app that other applications and other tools are able to pull those in if you attach them or hook them up to Evernote within that application. So for instance, within Azendu here, they have a section where you can attach your Evernote, and it sends a link to Evernote saying, hey, you want to authorize this site for a year to be able to pull the notes over, so you're given authorization to do so, and now you can work within this web app and pull up notes or documents to work on your project or what have you. And the same thing you can do with Dropbox and Google Drive and other collaborative ways of basically accomplishing your projects in a timely and efficient manner, because everybody uses different tools in their productivity. Some people use Dropbox, some people use Google Drive solely. And so you want to be able to have one centralized location where you can pull from in order to collaborate with different people who have different mindsets and different ways of being able to accomplish their tasks or their set of tasks for a set project. So maybe I like using Evernote for my projects and how I accomplish a task. And maybe somebody else that's collaborating on the team might use Dropbox, and this can be all brought into apps like Zendu or other collaborative apps out there that have the ability to bring in everything into one centralized location. So now, with that being said, these are some of the ways that you can collaborate if you are wanting to do so with Evernote. And so, like I said, this was going to be a short episode. I hope you got something out of this. And if you did, please click on that like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and want to receive more videos like this in the future, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. And without further ado, I want to wish you all an awesome day, and let's become more productive. Thank you.